Hello everybody, welcome back to channel ANZ Machinery. Farmers harvest tons of pineapples from vast sun-drenched fields, ensuring that only the ripest and juiciest fruits are selected. These freshly picked pineapples are then transported to the factory, where they undergo a meticulous cleaning process. Each pineapple is washed thoroughly to remove any dirt or debris, ensuring they are pristine and ready for the next stages of processing. Once cleaned, the pineapples are packaged securely and transported to the pineapple processing line factory. Here, the pineapples are prepared for peeling. They are fed into a semi-automatic peeler, a sophisticated machine specifically designed for efficiently peeling fruits like melons and pineapples. This peeler not only removes the tough outer skin but also cores the pineapples as required, ensuring that they are ready for slicing. The peeler, although automated in its peeling process, requires manual loading. Skilled workers carefully place each pineapple into the peeler, ensuring it is positioned correctly for optimal peeling. The machine then takes over, swiftly removing the skin and core, leaving behind perfectly peeled pineapples. After peeling, the pineapples are transferred to the slicing stage. This step involves an automatic slicing machine, which is designed to cut the peeled pineapples into various forms, such as skewers or pieces, depending on the requirements. The slicer operates with precision, ensuring that each slice is uniform in size and thickness, which is essential for both aesthetic and practical purposes. The automatic slicer is a marvel of modern engineering, capable of handling large volumes of pineapples with ease. It slices through the fruit with speed and accuracy, ensuring a consistent product every time. The sliced pineapples are then ready for packaging and distribution, completing their journey from the farm to the processing line.
Pineapple jam is renowned for its sweetness and low fiber quality, achieved through meticulous processing. The process begins with selecting ripe, high-quality pineapples. The fruits are peeled, cored, and chopped into small pieces. These pieces are then cooked with sugar and a bit of lemon juice, which acts as a natural preservative and enhances flavor. The mixture is continuously stirred to prevent burning and ensure even cooking. Once the pineapple softens and the sugar dissolves, the blend is pureed for a smooth consistency. The jam is then brought to a boil until it reaches the desired thickness. After cooking, the hot jam is poured into sterilized jars and sealed immediately to maintain freshness. This careful process ensures the jam's delectable taste and smooth texture.
The mobile pineapple fruit juice processing plant efficiently handles the transformation of fresh pineapples into high-quality juice. Initially, pineapples are fed into the mill via a conveyor system. Once milled, the resulting pulp is collected in a holding tank before being pumped to the press, where juice extraction occurs. The freshly extracted juice flows from the press to the mixing tanks. Here, any additional ingredients are thoroughly combined to ensure a consistent and flavorful product. After mixing, the juice passes through a heat exchanger for careful pasteurization. This critical step ensures the juice is safe for consumption while retaining its natural taste and nutritional value. The entire process, from milling to pasteurization, is designed to be efficient and hygienic, minimizing waste and maximizing juice yield. The mobility of the plant allows for on-site processing, reducing transportation costs and ensuring the freshest juice possible. The result is a delicious, safe, and high-quality pineapple juice ready for packaging and distribution.
Harvested at the renowned vineyards of Shuye, House Michel Genet Champagne invites you to experience the excitement and tradition of their 2022 harvest. Nestled in the heart of Champagne, these vineyards come alive during the harvest season, buzzing with the meticulous care and attention that have become the hallmark of Michel Genet's winemaking process. On harvest day, the scene is a blend of precision and celebration. Skilled hands, experienced through years of practice, carefully pick the ripe grapes at the peak of their perfection. These grapes, embodying the essence of Choulie's unique terroir, are gathered with utmost care to preserve their quality. Once harvested, the grapes are swiftly transported to the winery, where they are placed into large wooden barrels. This traditional method of using wooden barrels is crucial, as it not only respects the ancient practices of champagne making but also imparts a unique character to the wine. Inside these barrels, the grapes are gently ground to release their precious juice, a vital step in the fermentation process. This juice, rich with the flavors and aromas of Choulie's soil, will undergo a meticulous fermentation process, eventually transforming into the exquisite Michel Genet champagne. The 2022 harvest at Michel Genet is more than just a step in winemaking. It is a celebration of nature's bounty and human expertise. Each bottle from this harvest promises a sip of history, craftsmanship, and the distinct taste of Choulie's exceptional terroir.
Australia's dried grape industry thrives in the fertile plains of the inland, nourished by the Murray River. This region, transformed from desert by the innovative irrigation system designed by Canadian brothers George and William Chaffee in 1890, is renowned for its high-quality sultanas, currants, sun muscats, and raisins. Around Mildura, where 95% of Australia's dried fruit is grown, the Mediterranean climate and abundant sunshine produce premium crops. New grape varieties, bred for Australian conditions, ensure consistency even in challenging weather. Most growers use trellis drying, where grapes are sprayed with a food-grade drying emulsion and left to dry on the vine, avoiding sulfur and maintaining quality. High-performance trellis systems allow the fruit to dry without ground contact, enhancing hygiene and efficiency. After harvesting, grapes may undergo additional drying to reach optimal processing conditions. Non-grape material is removed using a riddle before the fruit is transported to state-of-the-art processing plants. Here, dried grapes are graded, tracked, and subjected to rigorous quality control measures, including color sorting, laser cleaning, and metal detection. Qualified staff meticulously inspect for contaminants and defects, ensuring only top-quality fruit reaches the packing line.